I will start this one as new blank. New blank, I will start a new one. New scene. I will choose different tool from this side. Let's say I will choose this tool. This tool is for drawing a cone shape, a cylinder, rectangular. Any tools have different shape. You can add it, modify it, rotate it, scale it, and change its color. Change the sides, change the bevel, change the shape core itself. You can choose these colors like this one here. Then I select this one and delete this. I don't need them. I just try this tool. Let's say I will type in letter A and hit OK. You can apply by pressing save. Then you have this shape. You can try different one, try different letter, try on your own. Try different shapes that have in the preset. You can apply your own like this one, slender. When you draw a circle, you apply a cylinder. You apply your modification, it apply modification for the shape after you save it. Let's say I will apply this deformation, move it. Just left click to select it and right click to apply a curve. It's a point. When you press right click, it will be applied to the curve. When you draw it, grab it, you apply deformation and movement. If you select the shape itself and move it, this tool here allow you to apply rotation for the shape, and this one applies the movement for the shape and the scale. And if you press this one here, allow you to draw a custom made shape. You can draw each point and just click and drag to apply a curve. You can choose this one, delete this one, and select this one, apply save, it will be directed to the scene. You will have different shape like the ones we drew before. It's a different tool, you may not have to use it so much. This one apply SVG, you can download any SVG image and export it to the scene. You can export it, download it from Google or any website. You can download SVG images. SVG image, it's like a sort of you convert your image. You type in convert image to SVG. You can download your logo, export your logo, and convert it to SVG. Upload it to the website. Just click any website to upload SVG and hit press convert. Let's say I would choose this image, this one here. Try to use vectors apply better SVG. SVG converts the image into a 3D value. After downloading you will see image like this one here is an image I converted to SVG. Just apply to simple logo will apply to 3D shape. This tool is used for that. And this one apply image. If you want to import image to your scene, just hit this tool and you can add different images. If you want to import image and move it as a 3D object, it will be flat but it gives the effect of a moving in a 3D space. You can move it, rotate it, scale it to give the effect of a 3D shape. You can also apply animation for each image. Let's say I will choose this one, apply this animation and hit play button. It will move according to the timeline. Let's say I will apply, save this one and apply this one. Add new keyframe. Let's change the color. Color applied to the effect a color like a layer over the image. Let's say I will change the image, double click and change the image, choose different one and hit OK. You can also change the style. It will be represented at different sections, different video. I will explain how to change the effect of SVG image, or you can just simply add your effect. Rotate it, move it, and scale it. And also you can change the color, and remember to hit the plus green button to save the keyframe. If you want to save this one, and move to the third second and hitting a new color and pressing add new keyframe. You can see if you move it to this here and hitting play button, it will move from the point you've added a keyframe. Also the color will change from the keyframe of the color you've added at the first and into the color you've added at the end. And let's rotate this one and add new keyframe, and rotate this one, add this second to this keyframe. Let's hit play button. You can see it will move according to the rotation you've added at the end. Let's say I will rotate this one and this one at the third second and adding a new keyframe for each image. And let's hit play button. It will move according to the points you've added. The red points on the timeline represent the keyframe. Let's say I want to import a 3D object. This tool is the last tool used to import a 3D object. If you have already a 3D object, or you can use the models you've exported from the programs. You can change the model, shape, color, size, the bevel, and apply different texture to the 3D models. You can choose this texture, this one here. I will choose to apply this. This tool is used for import object, and this one, the last one, apply different particles to the background, like snow particles. You can move this, apply animation for the shape, the 3D shape. Hit plus button and then play. That's all. Make sure to save your progress by pressing Ctrl S, and if a mistake happened by accident, press Ctrl Z to move step back.